So stay tuned, continue watching, and...
Je l'avais lu dans le guide que c'était censé être...
Don't worry about us. We're just over here talking to our camera.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless.
Hey, so we are here at this train station in Berlin, about to make our way to Prague. Try to do something a little different. You know, normally we would probably catch a flight, but we figure the train might be easier.
Yeah. And can I just say, I feel like I have a lot of energy for
Or being early in the morning?
for this early in the morning.
Oh no, I'm still a little bit tired.
Yeah. That'll probably change once I sit on the train and get cozy. And it's about a 4-hour ride, I think, right?
Yeah, it's about 4 hours and 15 minutes to get to Prague. It's going to be interesting traveling from one country to the next during, I guess, this pandemic. We got all of our documents, we got all of our papers.
Yeah, our COVID test, all the things.
Yeah. So, fingers crossed, no issues. We get through with no problems, and we'll show you Prague.
See you on the other side.
So we just made it to Prague. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited that we're here.
We were like walking to get here when we got off the train, and we're like, we're in Prague.
We're in Prague.
We're in the Czech Republic.
What's funny is we did a whole, we went and we got a COVID test to come to Prague. We did all this extra pre-work, and then when we got off the train, we literally just walked through the doors. And we came outside and we were a little nervous because we were thinking, okay, somebody should have checked us.
Well, the whole time we kept looking around. I'm like, there's got to be some sort of official or somebody that's going to collect our information or validate or verify something.
At least stamp our passport.
And they didn't, right. They didn't do it on the train. They didn't do it. I was like, this is interesting. You'd have thought we just took a train to the next city.
Yeah. Well, I'm hoping that we didn't miss a line or something. So we'll see.
Oh my God. But when we came, there was no clear, everything was just like, this is the exit. And we're like, okay.
And it was like a 12-minute walk from the train station to our hotel, which was a pretty easy walk.
Yeah, really easy.
So we're here, super excited again. We're in Prague. I'm excited about the adventure that we're about to be upon us and everything that Prague has to offer. And our room is super dope. I might plug a video in here just so you can see the room, but we are staying at the Prague Marriott. Normally I don't shout out the hotel, but this hotel is actually really nice from when you walk in the door to the actual suite that we have. So I am going to shout them out. Maybe they give us a free room or a free night at another time. You know, Marriott needs to cut that check. But anywho, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and thank you for joining us on this journey.
If the past is gone, we're doing it wrong. If the past is gone, we're doing it wrong. us outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and
We are going up to the old clock tower. So many steps. You think it's already ahead? You'd have thought that we didn't do cardio on a regular. We're getting old, son.
so baby, we should start. Baby, we should start it now.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
So we got tired of walking and we paid like the extra 200 kronas to hop on the elevator.
This guy. I was like, we could just walk. It's not that big a deal. He's like, oh,
Ain't no shame in it.
Let's take the expensive, fancy elevator.
Where do you go? There you go. Ain't no shame in it. I don't feel no type of way about it.
We're the only ones who can't decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time.
So today's day 2 here in Prague. Terrific first day. We saw a lot, experienced a lot. Terrific?
Yeah.
Terrific? I like that. Terrific first day. We saw a lot, did a lot. Today we're actually going to visit the John Lennon Wall.
Yeah.
In addition to the Prague Castle.
The Prague Castle, and
Yeah.
then I think it's
Oh,
called
Golden Lane.
Golden Lane.
Golden
the
Lane.
Alchemy, what they call it, the Alchemist
Yes.
Playground. I'm like,
I'm over here trying to chase my personal legend, trying to find what that is. So
we're both like, the Alchemist Playground. We need to be there.
yeah.
we are signing off from Prague, Czech Republic. We're standing in front of the Prague Castle right here. I don't know if we can get that beautiful view behind us. It's been amazing.
Yes.
And we hope you enjoy the little snippets of our journey.
All right, see you in the next episode.
Yes, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to